The materials that we need for today are the following. You will need any paper of your choice. It's much better if it's shiny or glittery. A pair of scissors, glue sticks, and our glue gun. Before we start, I'm gonna plug in the glue gun so that when we need it, it's already hot. And then grab the 2 pieces of paper that you're gonna use for this project. You need to fold it like so we can create a perfect square, and you just have to cut the excess amount of paper that you don't need. And after cutting it, you have to fold diagonally the other direction, like so. And then we're going to fold the corner end of the square like what I'm doing right now. And just repeat the process on each corner of the square. So this is how it looks like once we're done folding every corner of this square. Next is you have to cut halfway down each straight fold. And then what we are going to do next is we are going to fold the cuts toward each other to form points. And glue one side of each point onto the other. then just repeat the process to the other square. And lastly, dot hot glue onto one half of the paper and press them together like so. It's pretty, eh? And it's very simple to make. And the next star that I'll be making is the same as this. The only differences are, of course, the paper that I'll be using is glittery, and I cut the template from my cutting machine. But again, if you don't have any cutting machine, then you can just do the folding manually, like what I did in the first part of this video, and you're good to go. And thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss my next upload. And of course, Happy New Year! Take care and stay safe. Bye!